Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer document data into MongoDB Atlas for search, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a MongoDB Atlas account. Log into your MongoDB Atlas account. Create a new cluster if you don't have one set up already. Choose your desired cloud provider and region for optimal performance. Once your cluster is created, navigate to the Database Access section. Add a new database user with access permissions. Take note of the username and password for later use. Now, go to the Network Access tab. Add your current IP address to allow connections to your database. Next, gather the document data you wish to transfer. Ensure your document data is in a compatible format, such as JSON or CSV. If it's in another format, convert it to JSON for easier importing. Open your terminal or command prompt to begin the import process. Install MongoDB tools if you haven't already done so. For JSON files, use the following command to import your data: mongo import your_connection_string collection your_. Ensure your collection name matches your intended target in the database. Replace your_file_name.json or your_file_name.csv with the actual file names. Hit Enter to execute the command. The terminal will display the progress of the import process. Once finished, check the MongoDB Atlas dashboard to verify the data import. Navigate to the Collections section of your database. Review the documents to make sure everything transferred correctly. If needed, perform some indexing on the fields to enhance search performance. For enhanced search capabilities, consider creating text indexes as needed. Test querying your data using the Atlas Data Explorer to ensure functionality. Now your document data is successfully transferred to MongoDB Atlas for search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.